Hello friends, welcome back to Multi Question World. Today we are going to discuss 50 important questions for Medical Laboratory Technology exam. You can watch the previous videos from playlist, and if you're watching without subscribing, please do subscribe the channel. These questions are taken from previous question paper of RRB. Please turn on the bell button to get the notifications on time. Let us start. Question number 52. Microscopic examination of urine is done to find out Option 1 RBCs, Option 2 pus cells, Option 3 casts, Option 4 all of the above. The right answer is Option D, all of the above, because microscopic examination of urine can be used for finding RBCs, pus cells and casts. Next question. Sample used for platelet counting is Option 1 serum, Option 2 plasma, Option 3 citrated blood, Option 4 EDTA blood. The right answer is Option 3 and 4. Citrated blood and EDTA blood we can used for platelet counting. So this question is dropped by RRB due to multiple answer key. Next question. Abnormal proliferation of hematopoietic cell is called Option 1 pancytopenia, Option 2 leukemia, Option 3 anemia, Option 4 all of the above. The right answer is Option 2 leukemia. Abnormal proliferation of hematopoietic cell is called leukemia. Next one. The acid hematin method of estimation of hemoglobin is also known as Option 1 colorimetric method, Option 2 automated method, Option 3 Salis method, Option D none of the above. The right answer is Option 3 Salis method. The reagent used in Salis method is N/10 HCl. HCl plus hemoglobin form acid hematin. Next question. Normal level of total protein present in CSF. Option 1 25 to 80 mg per dl. Option 2 15 to 60 mg per dl. Option 3 100 to 120 mg per dl. Option 4 90 to 110 mg per dl. The right answer is Option 2 15 to 60 mg per deciliter. 15 to 60 or 15 to 45 is correct. Next one. Which one of the following is the parent cell of platelet? Option 1 granulocyte, Option 2 lymphoblast, Option 3 megakaryocyte, Option D erythroblast. The right answer is Option 3 megakaryocyte. Megakaryocyte are the precursor cell or parent cell of platelet. Next question. Normal level of mean corpuscular hemoglobin or MCH. Option 1 59.5 plus or minus 2.5 picogram per cell. Option 2 39.5 plus or minus 2.5. Option 3 79.5 plus or minus 2.5. Option 4 29.5 plus or minus 2.5 picograms per cell. The right answer is Option D 29.5 plus or minus 2.5 picograms per cell is the normal MCH. Question number 59. Finger prick is used to determine Option 1 bleeding time, Option 2 prothrombin time, Option 3 APTT, Option 4 none of the above. The right answer is Option 1 bleeding time. Finger prick is used to determine bleeding time. Question number 60. Rh typing is based on the D antigen present in Option 1 platelets, Option 2 RBC, Option 3 lymphocytes, Option 4 eosinophils. The right answer is Option B RBC. Rh typing is based on D antigen and D antigen is present in surface of RBC. Next question. Which of the following personnel work for a blood bank? Option 1, medical officer. Option 2, technician. Option 3, nurse. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. In blood bank, we need a medical officer, technician and a nurse. So, the right answer is option D. Next question. Which one of the following does not include in blood bank registers? Option 1, donor register. Option 2, stock register. Option 3, male and female register. Option 4, issue register. Which of the following does not include in blood bank registers? The right answer is option 3, male and female register. Male and female register is not there in a blood bank. Next question. Which one of the following does not include criteria for blood donors? Option 1, age between 18 to 50. Next one, HB more than 12.5%. Option 3, monthly blood donation is allowed. Option 4, weight more than 45 kilograms. The right answer is option 3. Monthly blood donation allowed is not a criteria for blood donors. It is strictly prohibited. Next question. ESR equipment is known as option 1, Sallis tube. Option 2, centrifuge. Option 3, vacuum Option 4, Westergren's tube. The right answer is option 4, Westergren's tube. ESR is done by Westergren's method and the tube is Westergren's tube. Also, we can use Wintrop's method for ESR. Next question. The method used to measure the rate of a reaction. Option 1, principal method. Option 2, endpoint method. Option 3, kinetic method. Option 4, immuno method. The right answer is option 3, kinetic method. The method used to measure rate of reaction is kinetic method. Next one. In which of the following staining method only methylene blue or carbofuchsin is used? Option 1, supravital stain. Option 2, simple staining. Option 3, Leishman staining. Option 4, PAS stain. In which of the following staining methods only methylene blue or carbofuchsin is used? The right answer is simple staining. In simple staining, we need only one reagent for staining. Next question. The amount of anticoagulant in a CPDA 300 ml blood collection bag is option 1, 25 ml, option 2, 35 ml, option 3, 40 ml, option 4, 45 ml. This question is dropped for evaluation due to no answer key because the answer is 42 ml. The anticoagulant to blood ratio is 7:1. So that 42 is the answer. Next question. The maximum permissible dose for the whole body for radiation worker. Option 1, 10 milligram per year. Option 2, 8 milligram per year. Next one, 5 milligram per year. Other one, 50 milligram per year. The right answer is option 3. 5 milligram per year is the permissible dose for the whole body for a radiation worker. Next question. The plasma membrane of muscle cell is option 1, pericardium. Option 2, pleural membrane. Option 3, sarcolemma. Option 4, diaphragm. Plasma membrane of a muscle cell. The right answer is option 3, sarcolemma, where pericardium is the layer of heart, pleural membrane is the layer of lungs, and diaphragm is the muscle between lungs and stomach. Next one, cerebrospinal fluid flows through option 1, subdural space, option 2, pia mater, option 3, subarachnoid space, option 4, none of the above. The right answer is option 3, subarachnoid space. CSF is flowing through subarachnoid space of brain and spinal cord. Next question. Hormone secreted by the anterior pituitary does not include option 1 TSH, option 2 parathormone, option 3 adrenocorticotropic releasing hormone, option 4 gonadotropin releasing hormone or GRH. The right answer is option 3 and 4. ATRH and GRH hormone are produced by or secreted by anterior pituitary. So, this question is cancelled. Next question. Which one of the following is not a lymphoid organ? Option 1 thymus, option 2 liver, option 3 bone marrow, option 4 lymph node. The right answer is option 2 liver. Thymus, bone marrow and lymph node are lymphoid organs and liver is not. Next question. A specific molecule that binds to a receptor is called as dash of the receptor. Option 1 iron, option 2 carrier, option 3 ligand, option 4 linkers. The right answer is option 3 ligand. Specific molecule that binds to a receptor is called a ligand. This is a chemistry question. Next question. Which one of the following does not include in maintenance of biosafety cabinets? First one, should not be loaded with unnecessary items. Next one, regular decontamination should be done. Next one, work can be done near the front of the cabinet. Next one, avoid bringing hands and arms out of the cabinet while working. Which one of the following is the right answer? The right answer is option 3. Work can be done near the front of the cabinet is a wrong statement of biosafety cabinets. Work should be done inside the cabinet. Question number 76. Which section of a clinical laboratory deals with the assessment of different blood cells? Option 1 biochemical analysis, option 2 hematology, option 3 serology, option 4 specimen collection. The right answer is option 2 hematology. Hematology is the which deals with the assessment of different blood cells. Next one. Which of the following records should be retained in a laboratory? Option 1 quality control records, option 2 instrument maintenance records, option 3 blood donor records, option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. A laboratory should have quality control record, instrument maintenance and blood donor records. Question number 78. Chemicals which liquefy when exposed to air are called option 1 primary standard, option 2 buffer, option 3 hygroscopic, option 4 reagent mixture. The right answer is option 3 hygroscopic. The chemicals which liquefy when exposed to air are called as hygroscopic chemicals. Question number 79. The reagent used in the estimation of glucose is option 1 urease reagent, option 2 hexokinase reagent, option 3 JAVS reaction, option 4 none of the above. The right answer is option 2 hexokinase reagent. Reagent used for the estimation of glucose is hexokinase reagent. We use hexokinase method, so the reagent is hexokinase. Next one. All special types of investigations use option 1 distilled water, option 2 type 3 reagent grade water, option 3 type 2 reagent grade water, option 4 type 1 reagent grade water. Which water is used for all special types of investigations? The right answer is option 4. Type 1 reagent or ultra pure water is used for the investigations, all special investigations. Next question. Which of the following helps to keep a reagent or chemical dry? Option 1 amber bottles, option 2 desiccators, option 3 test tubes, option 4 plastic bottles. In which of these following containers a chemical is kept as dry? The right answer is option 2 desiccators. Next question. Precautions followed against biohazards include option 1 prevention of self-injury during specimen collection, option 2 decontamination of laboratory instruments regularly, option 3 immunization of laboratory personnel, option D all of the above. Which are the precautions followed against biohazards? The right answer is option D, all of the above. All these precautions we need to follow to avoid biohazards. Next question. A fragment of tissue taken from an organ from a living person for examination is called option 1 adhesion, option 2 cryostat, option 3 smear, option 4 biopsy. The right answer is option 4 biopsy. A fragment of tissue taken from an organ from a living person is by a process called biopsy. Next question. The commonly used fixative for slide preparation. Option 1 Benedict's reagent, option 2 distilled water, option 3 formalin, option 4 none of the above. The right answer is option 3 formalin. The only fixative given in the option is formalin. Others are not fixatives. So the right answer is option 3 formalin. Next question, question number 85. Anti-immunoglobulin is also known as option 1 Coombs serum, option 2 local serum, option 3 cryoserum, option 4 none of the above. Anti-immunoglobulin or anti-human globulin. The right answer is option 1 Coombs serum. Coombs serum is known as anti-immunoglobulin. Next one. Which one of the following does not include in various aspects of QC in blood bank? Option 1 all reagents should be clear without any turbidity. Option 2 the Rh-D antigen should be checked with only positive control. Option 3 working of refrigerators, centrifuge and water bath should be checked periodically. Option 4 records of validation, QC and staff training procedures must be maintained. The right answer is option 2. The Rh-D antigen should be checked with only positive control is the wrong statement. We have to check it with positive and negative controls. Question number 87. Samples of skin scrapings are obtained using option 1 a sharp needle, option 2 a blunt scalpel, option 3 a knife, option 4 cotton. The right answer is option 2. A blunt scalpel can be used to get the samples of skin scrapings. Question number 88. Which of the following specimen is tested for parasites? Option 1 urine, option 2 blood, option 3 urine and blood, option 4 none of the above. The right answer is option 3 urine and blood. Urine and blood can be collected for testing parasites. Schistosoma hematobium and Giardia lamplea may be seen in urine sample. Question number 89. Which of the following cultures is difficult to maintain? Option 1 aerobic, option 2 capnophilic, option 3 anaerobic and option D all of the above. The right answer is option 3 anaerobic. Anaerobic culture media is difficult to maintain because there are possibilities of getting air inside gas pack system. Next question. Staining of Mycobacterium leprae require option 1 10% H2SO4, option 2 12% H2SO4, option 3 5% H2SO4, option D none of the above. Mycobacterium leprae requires 5% sulfuric acid. In case of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, it will be 20% sulfuric acid. In leprae, it is 5%. Next question. Negrosin solution is used for option 1 gram staining, option 2 acid-fast staining, option 3 simple staining, option 4 negative staining for capsules. In which of these stainings negrosin solution is used? The right answer is option 4 negative staining for capsules. Negative staining for capsules of Cryptococcus, we need negrosin solution. Next question. Which of the following are catalase producing bacteria? Option 1 streptococci, option 2 staphylococci, option 3 parasites, option 4 nematodes. Which will produce catalase? The right answer is option 2 staphylococci. Catalase positive organism is or bacteria is staphylococci. Next question. Which one of the following is not a solid culture media? Option 1 blood agar, option 2 nutrient agar, option 3 selenite F broth, option 4 none of the above. The right answer is option 3 selenite F broth. Broth is not a solid media, so the right answer is selenite F broth. Next question. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of Bactex system? Option 1 the selection of culture bottles depends on the clinical history of the patient. Option 2 it uses miniature biochemical strips. Option 3 bacterial subcultures can be processed for identification of organisms based on biochemical reactions. Option 4 biochemical analysis results are not displayed. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of Bactex system? The right answer is option 4. Biochemical analysis results are not displayed. It is an incorrect statement because Bactex system results are displayed. Next question. What temperature is maintained in a bacterial incubator? Option 1 20 degrees Celsius, option 2 28 degrees Celsius, option 3 37 degrees Celsius, option 4 45 degrees Celsius. The right answer is option 3 35 degrees Celsius because almost all bacteria are grown at 37 degrees Celsius. So incubator is maintained at the same temperature. Next question. The device which maintains the set temperature in a hot air oven is called option 1 chamber, option 2 steel door, option 3 indicator, option 4 thermostat. The right answer is option 4 thermostat. Thermostat maintains a set temperature in hot air oven. Next one. Rice water stool is a characteristic feature of option 1 cholera, option 2 steatorrhea, option 3 bacterial infection, option 4 constipation. The right answer is option 1 cholera. Rice water stool is a characteristic feature of cholera and it is caused by Vibrio cholerae. Next question, the last question. The incubation period for the hepatitis B virus within the body is option 1 45 to 180 days, option 2 20 to 30 days, option 3 10 to 20 days, option 4 30 to 80 days. The right answer is option 1 45 to 180 days. The incubation period for the hepatitis B virus within the body is 45 to 180 days. So today we are winding up. You can watch the previous videos from playlist. Referring previous question papers is a must in winning competitive exams of laboratory technician. So do it well. Thank you.